Hi, this is John Mitchum, Learning Technology Integrator with Albemarle County Public Schools. One of the most common features we're asked about when dealing with Schoology assessments is how to take a test that is currently in a Word document and import it into tests and quizzes. We found a website here that will allow you to do just that. You'll see the website listed below. Here are the steps. First, you would create a test name, and this would be a sample test. After that, you find your test that's in your document. You highlight the questions that you're interested in using, copy those, and then paste them into the text box. Once you have these pasted into the text box, you need to let the computer know what type of question it is. So if it's a multiple choice question like you see here, you just need to type MC above it. Same thing for the next question. True false is a little different. It just is TF. This multiple choice question, you would put MC. And then these short answer questions, you would just leave blank. The one last thing that you need to do is you need to let it know which one is what the correct answer is. So I'm just going to randomly put correct answers by using the star button. Once I've got this information in, I'm going to hit generate test questions. So here, after you see anything that's listed in red is an error. Anything that is green is correct. So here, it looks like I didn't choose an answer. I put the star next to the question itself. Here at the bottom for the true false, you just need a T for true. And then the questions here, you would just need to leave them blank. So go back, hit generate questions. Looks like there's still an error. For the essay question, you need to make sure that there's a number listed in front of it. So that should take care of my test. So you see there's multiple choice, true, false, and an essay question. Once I've got the questions listed in, I'm going to click Download Question Pool. And as you'll see down at the bottom, it opens up a zip file. In order to use this zip file, I need to go into my Schoology account and create a test or quiz. After creating a test or quiz, I would give it a sample name. I would choose a category and then hit Create. At this point, it's going to ask me to insert questions. Clicking on the Add Question button, you're going to import a test or a quiz. We're importing it from what would be a Blackboard file. Hitting Next, it's then going to ask us to attach a file. I click the icon, I see it come up, and then I'm choosing the file and hitting Open. Once it loads, I'm going to hit Import, and as you see, here's a list of questions, my multiple choice, my true false, and my short answer essay questions. Once this is done, I suggest just going through real quick and making sure that the correct answer is highlighted. And then if it is, you can hit Save Question. So one other thing that I would suggest doing is adding these questions to the question bank. If you've already created a question bank, you can take these questions and add them to the bank by just choosing Add Questions to Bank, hit Next. You would select New Question Bank, where you want to put it, if there's a folder specifically, and call it Test Questions. So not only will this quickly allow you to get questions into Schoology, but it'll also allow you to keep question banks for you to be able to pull questions in the future. If you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me or any other learning technology integrator. Have a great day.